Hey, welcome back to the channel, brothers and sisters. I'm in a random woodland and I just wanted to show the mushroom ecosystem. There is loads of mushrooms everywhere. They're pretty cool. Just wanted to show. Because some of these mushrooms are starting to change to the colour of the moss, and there's like 3 different types of mushrooms. I'm just trying to pick my way through, so I don't want to disturb them. And there's these ones. Sorry, it's my favourite time. It's favourite time of the year. It's quite damp. It's been really wet, and today's quite a warm, humid day, and I'm just seeing the mushrooms and I'm like, yep, this is a mushroom time. This is what I wanted to come and show you guys. A full ecosystem, and then a random white one. A random white one that's just randomly on its own, but it's still connected to the main cluster. But that's a beauty of a cluster. And then there's another beauty of a cluster, and then get right in. That's absolutely beautiful. And then I'll come up to the top so you can get a top-down view. And that's what it's like inside there. I'll move that. Sorry, just so you can get a proper close-up. There we go. Just to show. And there's ones right in the dark as well. Show the stem. Pretty cool. Anyway, just thought I would show the mushrooms. Oh, you can show the cluster on this side. There's random ones there, and it looks like these ones something, an animal, or more of an animal, because